any hobbies that you guys like to do? I know somebody, what, a skateboarder? Who likes to skateboard in this group over here?
Right here.
Oh! I'm a skateboarder. All right. What about
I like to golf.
golf? Yeah, notice. You know what? I was gonna ask you because last night I see him in the background and he's actually practicing. Show me a swing move. Show me a swing. Show me the swing move. Let's go.
You use your shoulders, and then you swing with the hips.
Hold a hit. Good. That lady almost had a heart attack when he's moving the hips like that. Really? Okay, I'm gonna say this, and I want you to, who do you think matches this next thing, okay? Which one of them played soccer in high school? Who? Who do you think? With a high school soccer player, please stand up. Right. All right, so what do you like to do on your off-time show?
What do I like to do when
When you're not
No.
dancing and singing, or
when
what's your hobbies?
Anime.
anime. Afterward, I also like to sleep.
Sleep and okay, and then Haru, let's go with you. Haru, what do you like to do on your off time?
Oh, I don't know if my friend here, but I like to build keyboards, custom keyboards.
My keyboard fans are here. Shout out to you guys.
And Dev, what about you? What do you like to do?
In my free time, I like to learn K-pop dance.
Oh, sounds like everybody likes to do that one. We were literally walking down the street and someone drove by in a car and they were playing K-pop. And me and Jordan looked at each other and we were like, he's doing the choreo, isn't he? And we turned around and there he is doing the choreo. And we were like, oh!
I had to do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you get a chance. Anybody have a question for these guys? Okay, these two lovely ladies raising their hands. Okay. Hey, oh, that's not the question. She said, so, even with the mask, I heard now. Okay, who's your, as a group, who do you guys look up to as a musical inspiration? Oh yes, yeah. We're gonna work it like down the line.
Okay.
Just boom, boom, okay? Sure.
My musical inspiration is my dad, and he was in a band called